Greetings and Happy New Year. Today is January 1st, 2025. Oh my God. So this is the video to pull the 12 different winners from our 12 Nights of Christmas giveaway. We are giving away a colored lid, a non-stick ceramic pan, and a steel base. So that would be like a custom Omnia oven. And I have spent the last 2 hours running this random comment picker, and I now have 12 winners. And so I'm going to do some editing and cut all the random comment picker scans, and I'll put them one in a row. We did have a small caveat with all the trivia questions that if you actually were picked, if you were one of the 12 and you got the question right, we would throw in a thermometer. Whether you got it right or not, I'll throw in a thermometer as well. And just so you guys know, all this stuff comes from the fine folks at Omnia. So we thank the Omnia family. We wish them a happy and healthy new year, as well as everybody who watches the video, who is a subscriber to our channel, and a member of our Facebook group, which is the only way you can win this stuff. So I'm going to get to editing. God, my teeth look funny. I'm gonna get to editing. Yeah, I don't have good teeth anyway. And I will reach out. I think I know everybody, the 12 people. I think I have their profiles on Facebook, so I will send you a message. And it's going to take me a couple of weeks to get everything in the mail to all the winners, so please be patient, and we will take it from there. So Happy New Year. Edye and I have a lot planned for 2025. Lots of surprises. Hopefully we can get a new cookbook done by the end of the year. And we'll keep plowing away. We're still having fun, so we're going to do it again the entire year. We'll come up with more recipes. We do have some interesting ideas for 2025. So hopefully you guys will stay subscribed to our channel and stay engaged on our Facebook group. And that's it. So let's cut to the video and let's find our 12 winners. So thank you again. Happy New Year. May you be healthy and happy and prosperous and all that good stuff. Live long and prosper. Let's get to it.